Let us see the next question here. Integration of dx upon 3 plus cos square x. So you have seen this is again the first method. So according to this, what I have to do here, multiply with x square x, and you have to do what here, multiply numerator and denominator with x square x. So x square x into x square x, multiply with here 3 into x square x plus, if I multiply this x square x into this one, cos square x into x square x. I am multiplying x square x on numerator and multiplying x square x denominator. So what I am going to get here, integration of this value will be, what I am getting here, x square x dx upon 3 into this x square x, I can write as 1 plus tan square x plus x square x, this is cancelled, one answer will get. So x square x as 1 by cos square x. Okay. So what I do here now, tan x is equal to, let us take t. If I take tan x is equal to t, differentiation of this is x square x, dx is equal to dt. Understand? So x square x dx can be written as, this can be written as dt upon, what I can write as 3 into 1 plus, see here, this tan can be written as t, that is t square. This tan x this can be written as t square plus 1. Now what I am going to get, this is I is equal to dt upon, now let us see here, 3 ones are 3 plus 3t square plus 1, correct? So I get I is equal to dt upon 3t square plus 4. Okay, I is equal to integration of, this is the integration of dt upon, I can write this one as 3t root 3t whole square plus 2 square. Root 3t plus root 3t whole square plus 2 square. This is 1 upon x square plus a square. Integration of 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a. 1 upon a. A is 2. Tan inverse x by root 3t x by a. Okay, and coefficient of this root 3, that also will divide here into root 3 plus c is your answer. Understand? What we can do here, we write as root 3 plus t whole square x square plus a square. What is integration of x square plus square? 1 upon a tan inverse x by a, that is 1 upon 2 into root 3 tan inverse x by a. That is your answer. Understood? This will be your answer. Final answer is this. Let us go for, what is t here? Let us substitute t. T is tan x. Finally, you have to substitute in the place of t is tan x. Okay, fine. Let's see the next question. This is the form number 2. Form number 1 finished. Form number 2, integration of dx upon 5 plus 4 sin x. So whenever you have form number 2, what I said here, this is the degree 1. When you have degree 1, sin x should be replaced what? Sin x should be replaced by what? Sin x is equal to 1 plus tan square x by 2 divided by, 2 times, this is cos. So sin x is equal to, we can write as 2 tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, right? This is what you have to use. Okay, what I have to use? 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2 I have to use. 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. So let us use this one. I is equal to, what we can write as integration of dx upon 5 plus 4 into sin x can be used as 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is what we have to use. See, for time being, this tan x by 2 square, you can take t, consider t and do, that will be easiest way. So I is equal to, I can write as, this is I can write LCM dx upon, I am writing here, this is LCM I am taking, 1 plus t square I am supposing for time being. So 5 into what I am getting, 5 into this, 5 into this means 5 plus 5t square I get, plus here this will be 4 2s are 8 t I will get. Okay, so finally what I am getting, this is sending up, I is equal to, what I get here, 1 plus tan square, 1 plus t square, tan square x by 2, right? 1 plus tan square x by 2 dx divided by, I am am taking t as tan x by 2 and copying t as tan x by 2. Remember that thing. So what I am going to get this integration is, let us take now what is the step here. The form number 2 we are doing. Form number 2 sin x replaced by this. Okay, I replaced. And then do the LCM, simplify. What I have to take? Tan x by 2, you have to take t. What is the condition you have to take? Tan x by 2 is equal to t you have to take. Already t is there, so let us consider this is u or y. Can I take y? Okay, let us take y. Okay, let us take y. So tan x, differentiation of tan x by 2, that is sec square x by 2. What is the differentiation of this? That is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 dx is equal to dy, correct? So I can write 1 plus tan square x by 2 is nothing but sec square x by 2. Okay, sec square x by 2 dx is equal to 2 dy. This is, you know, 1 plus tan square x by 2 is nothing but sec square x by 2 dx. So this whole thing I consider, this answer will become, this whole thing will become 2 dy upon, this is I have what you have 5, okay, this is you have 5t square plus 8t plus 5. I need to integrate this one. To integrate this one, we do one thing, okay, we multiply with 5 to get 25 here squaring. So I multiply here 5 and divide by 5. So what I get here, I is equal to 5 2s are 10 divided by dy upon, if I multiply with 10, 5 5 is a 25 t square plus 5 8 is 40 t plus 5 5 is 25. Okay, you got this one? Hope you understand. Let's see final answer is what? I is equal to, what can I write here? I is equal to 10 into, let's see here this one, I can write as dy upon, let's see, this is I can write 5t square, 5t whole square plus 5t square plus, this is you can see which formula it's looking like 5t square, like you can take a plus b whole square, like you have to make it a complete square method. See here 10 divided by 25t square plus 40t plus 25. This 25 I am writing like that 16 plus 9. So I can write as I is equal to 10 into integration of dy upon 5t plus 4 whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square, 4 square. This is 4 square plus 3 square. So this is again in the form of x square plus a square formula. So what is the integration of x square a square? I is equal to 10 into 1 by a tan inverse x by a, tan inverse x by a. See here what I am getting here. According to this rule, 1 by a, that is 3. This is 3 square, tan inverse x by a. And what is the linear here? 5t plus 4. 5 is the linear, that will be multiplied here. So this is your final answer, plus c. What is t here? T, what we assume? T is tan x by 2. So replace t places tan x by 2. This is your answer.